Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I look like a raccoon. Oh my gosh, are those bags of mine? Today, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And I know my hair probably looked like something, but I promise it was really pretty when I took my Flixerize out this morning. But I went outside and I did a couple errands, and then the Mississippi humidity just took my curls. So I'm gonna, recurl it in the end of this video so I can come back all cute and stuff. But we're not gonna talk about the hair right now because we're about to get into this eyeshadow palette, boo-boo. This is not new, but I recently bought it. Yeah, so it's new to me. But this I know it's funny. Okay. Okay, so this is the this is the HUDA. Is it HUDA or HUDA? HUDA. I don't know. HUDA Beauty. HUDA Beauty. HUDA Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. So she has multiple palettes. She has a bronzy one. It's this called Topaz, and then she has rose gold ones. It's different sections. This is the blue one, and then she has the one that's pink or red of her. She just has multiple ones. I'll try to post pictures of them somewhere here on the screen, but yeah. So this is the blue one, and I got this one specifically because I knew I was going to do blue hair, and so this is kind of like a, blue eyes, blue hair type thing. I don't know, but yeah. So we're just going to get right into this palette. She is too pretty, y'all. Let me show y'all her. She'll open. Okay. Oh yes, mamacita. Okay, let me stop being extra. So yeah, this is her, and I already did my brows, and I also primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, and so now we're gonna get into the Sapphire eyeshadow palette. All right, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe. Why not? And then make sure you click that bell so that every time I post a new video, you will get a notification. And then after you're done that, leave a comment below and just, compliment me or say anything. But yeah, so leave a comment below. Make sure you share this video if you really like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into this palette. All right, so I'm just not realizing that these eyeshadow colors don't have names. Just not realizing that. But I mean, it's only what, 9 shadows, so it's not that hard. So I'm gonna take this one here, this blue color right here, and I'm going to place that in my crease. So I'm just gonna use this as my transition shade, but I'm planning on doing a halo eye today. So I'm going to basically you want to take really light strokes with this, be really light-handed. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit. Oop, oop, okay. So you want to be really light-handed, and you want to just feather, do these really light strokes from this part of the eye all the way over to this part of the eye. And my eyelid is kind of tacky because I did put the Urban Decay Primer Potion on it. But that's gonna make our eyeshadow stick and last and look really vibrant. And if I did mention before, these eyeshadow palettes cost I think they are $29. I think $27, something like that. I'll leave the exact price on the screen. Now I'm going to use another brush, and I'm going to go into do I want to do this? Do I want to do this? I'm going to go into this royal blue shade right here, and I'm going to take just a little bit of this, literally just a little bit. I'm barely tapping my brush, and then when I'm done tapping my brush, I'm gonna tap it off, and then I'm gonna blend this above the first shade. So I want it to look kind of like a gradient, from a dark blue to a lighter blue. I'm gonna keep blending into the first shade, but I'm gonna take it and like really accentuate it in this corner and in this corner. All right, so now I'm gonna take this first brush I used, and I'm gonna like feather it out. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this like neon yellow greenish color here. Woo. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I don't even know, I wanna get some of this. And just use this to blend out the edges. Take like a white. And I'm gonna go in and get some of this because I put too much in the crease. Like, I'm gonna go in and kind of like take some of the eyeshadow off right here because I don't like how it looks right there. I don't know. I just didn't like how it was looking on me. It was looking a little weird. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with this like neon shade, and I'm just going to continue to use this to blend out the edges. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first shade that I used, which was this blue, this blue color here. I'm just gonna like put her back, you know, just to make sure she's not getting swallowed by the neon shade. I'm gonna go back in with the like royal blue shade here, and then just put him back, because I really want to create some depth right here. I really want it to look dark and bold. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade right here, and I'm gonna use my finger to apply this. All right, so now I'm actually gonna like spray my finger with some primer spray. All right, and then I'm gonna spray my finger again, and I'm going to go in with this silver shade. I'm gonna spray my another finger, and I'm gonna go in with this silver shade, and I'm gonna place it on top. And now you don't want to like completely cover up the blue with the silver. I'm just like adding some sparkle in there so they can give it like some, oh yeah, oh man. Oh bro, let me calm down. I got a little too excited there. Not finished yet. We're not finished, because a good eyeshadow look is only completed once everything is blended to perfection. I'm gonna go off camera to do this eye. Okay, so I finished this eye, and then I went and I put some gel liner on. I used the e.l.f. gel liner. Now y'all know I ain't good with liner now, but you know I'm getting there. Okay, and then I put on some lashes. Now these are the Allure X Jasmine Brown lashes in JB. And when I tell y'all, girl, these lashes is delicious. They just making it look real juicy. But anyways, yeah, so that's where my lashes are from. And the lash glue that I use is this lash glue, this Allure Lash Fix Strip Lash Adhesive. It came in like the box, and so I decided to use it. I don't know how I feel about it. You know, I'm gonna have to give it a couple more tries, but you know, it's all right. Let's get into the skin, okay? Before we put on our foundation, y'all already know we gotta prime first. I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have the mini size because, you know, primers are not for everybody, and I just have to see how I like it before I start buying the full size, because the full size is $30. So okay, and then I'm liking it though. I'm not just like in love with it yet. I haven't really played with it that much. When this kind of dries, it kind of feels kind of like what is that? Okay, it kind of feels like, it doesn't feel tacky or hard. It just kind of has like a gripping effect to it, and you can feel it, or at least I can feel it. Foundation, we're gonna kick it old school with a foundation that I really like for a long time, and then I just started getting other foundations. I forgot about her, but she's still bomb. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Mocha. This is my baby. Oh, I forgot the color correct. And initially she does look really orange, but you have to give her a little time to oxidize and get her light together, and then she looks really good. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and this we're gonna do pounce the foundation into our skin. this is a vital step to make your foundation look skin-like, okay? You don't want to be walking around here looking like Miss Cake Face. And this is going to help you. You know, this is going to help you out. So as you can see, I told y'all when you first put it on, it looks really orange. But as you can see, I oxidized this to match my skin complexion, okay? Concealer, we're going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. This is my e.l.f. concealer in the color Rich Ebony. And I don't know if I've used this or not on my channel, but we're going to use this to give me a highlight. Oh, yeah, I think I have. Or maybe I didn't. Did I upload that video? I didn't upload that video. And I remember why. Because it was really, it was out of focus, like, literally the entire time. But I learned something from that video, though. This concealer is super duper pigmented, so if you put too much on, you're going to be looking crazy. So this one I'm not going to put too much on. I'm going to use this brush. This is my favorite brush to blend out my concealer. If you watch me like that, then you know this brush is a beast. I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blend out this contour. So we're going to set our concealer under our eyes because you don't want her to crease. That's what you don't want. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to take, I'm spitting. All right, then I'm going to take my Black Radiance contour palette. And I'm just going to set my contour with this contour shade. This is the medium to dark palette, and then I'm going to set my contour. Here's the trick that I use. So this is a trick that I use so that my contour doesn't get jammed up and look like really muddy. This is the Too Faced Born This Way powder. This is the translucent setting powder. I think it's in the color like medium or something. It's like the skin tone color. I'm just going to take this powder, and then I'm going to take my beauty sponge. And I'm going to take a little bit on there. And then cut where my contour is. This is the Eco Tools brush. No, yeah, it's the Eco Tools face brush. Actually, it's called a define brush, but I don't see how this is supposed to define, but whatever. Maybelline Fit Me foundation, like pressed powder. And I'm just gonna like tap my brush in this, dust off the excess, and then just kind of like dust off the excess powder. I was gonna use the Makeup Shayla ColourPop Collaborations blush, but this is the Whistle While You Work when I was looking for Constrict, and I can't find that one. So we're just gonna go with what we have, which is the Anastasia blush. I know y'all tired of this blush, but I'm gonna find the other Makeup Shayla one because that's the one I was going to use today. And then I'm going to set my face. So I'm going to set it with the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray for this first time. The Flora Collection colorful waterproof crayon eye color pencil, whatever, I don't know. It has like this super duper long name, but yeah. So I'm going to use this in the color black. e.l.f. Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cobalt. I'm gonna try to put some lashes on my bottom lashes. I don't got no bottom lashes, y'all. They like literally non-existent, but we're gonna try. See, can't even see them, but it's mascara on them. So, all right, and then now we're gonna go in with some highlight. e.l.f. sent me this highlighter. I placed an order with them, and they sent me this highlighter for folder free. It looks like it's gonna be too light for me, but we're gonna give it a try. Yes, excuse me, it's a little too light, but I think we can make it work. But for someone lighter than me, this will definitely look really pretty on them. But it's a smidge too light for me. Top of that highlight, we're gonna go in with my Blushing and Bally palette. All right, now for lip color, I recently got some new lip products from e.l.f. Don't know which one I want to try yet. I think I'm gonna try, let me swatch Praline and see how it looks, because since my eyes are like bold, I have to go with something really neutral. We're gonna try this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the color Mocha Twist. Okay. I think I can swing this. Gloss has like a cooling sensation, like a peppermint. This has to have like peppermint or something in it, because it has like a cooling. We like this lip combo? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna go with this lip color. I might change it later, but we're gonna go with this one now. So let me go curl my hair. Let's go on over here. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. So this is my finished look. All right, so this was not like a review and demo video, but I can tell you what I think of the palette. I think these colors are extremely pigmented, and I think it's extremely worth your money. And I'm just in love with everything today. Like my eyeshadow look, like I'm just in love with everything today. There we go. Oh. All right, yeah, so I'm just in love with everything today. My makeup turned out really, really good. So I just went and curled my hair. And as you can see, it has all these pretty little, you know, dimensions in it or whatever. So I didn't record me dyeing this hair, honestly, because this hair is like, it's a lot that came into it. But if you want to see me, I am going to be doing another color in a couple of days, and I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But if you want me to film me coloring the hair, then just comment below and I'll try to do that. Here's the finished look. Here's the eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. They look so good. If you like the video, then share it, like, comment, subscribe, you know, do all that good jazz, and you know, just support your girl. Really like this lip combo, especially with the eyes. It just looks real frisky, so I'm loving it. So make sure you guys leave me a comment below in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. And I guess that's all. So I see you guys on the next video. Bye.